Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good night, good evening. Thank you guys for coming back again. Please, one more reminder just before we get into the video. If you're not yet subscribed, do me a favor, click that red button and help us get to 300,000 subscribers. So when you subscribe, click on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Welcome back again if you are a returning subscriber. Today we're going to be talking about the food that attributes and makes it possible for people to have cancer. So the number one thing we're going to be looking into right now is fried foods. Fried foods are nowhere good for you. French fries, plantain, banana, anything fried is not good for you. They clog up your artery, they contribute to diabetes, they lead to heart disease, and they also lead to obesity. So when you are obese, so many things go wrong in your system. So this is the first food that you want to avoid. The next one is pop. Sugar, sugar, sugar. How many times will you be drinking soda pop? Sodas are loaded with sugar and they are main cause of nationwide obesity and can lead to inflammation, insulin resistant gastro-esophageal reflux disease. So the next one we're going to be looking into is farmed salmon. Farm salmon are fed on a natural diet and can become contaminated with chemicals, antibiotics, pesticides, and other known carcinogens. So moving on, remember to be wise when you're choosing your salmon. So let's look at the fourth one, microwave popcorn. Microwave popcorn bag contains perfluorooctanoic, I can't pronounce that, acid. So this acid is considered a toxin linked to infertility in women and increase the risk of kidney, bladder, liver, pancreas, testicle cancer. Most popcorns use soybean oil, which can cause stomach problems and skin rashes. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. So, guys, did you guys see what this popcorn is all about? Infertility is one of the key things that I picked up from this popcorn. Everything is based on research. So, let's move over to processed food. Oh my God, who in this day and age is still eating processed food? Sausage, hot dog, bacon contains numerous chemicals and preservatives that are harmful to your health. Not are they not only harmful to your health, they clog up all your arteries and they make you to have acne and pimple, and you age very fast by eating this food. Moving on to the next one, potato chips. Potato chips are high in weight gaining element and their excessive trans fats and sodium can cause high cholesterol and high blood pressure. Oh boy, I keep saying boy, oh boy. You'll be thinking that you're snacking. Please snack on fruits and vegetables, whatever happens to our watermelon and apples. So let's move over to the next one, hydrogenated oils. Oils. We need to be very careful when we're choosing our oils. Hydrogenated oils are frequently deodorized and colored to look appealing. They contain high levels of omega-6 fatty acid, which can cause heart disease and various cancers, especially skin cancer. So be mindful, some of the oils you're buying from the grocery stores are not really what they are. They put some coloring in them. So be very, very mindful when you are buying your oils. Make sure you're getting them from the right source. So moving on to number one thing, which is smoked food. Coming from an African background, we eat lots of smoked fish, smoked meat, smoked chicken. Be also very careful when you are buying smoked turkey in the store. They contains a lot of carcinogen. Meanwhile, pickled foods cured by nitrates can also color. They are associated with high rates of colorectal and stomach cancer. So you must be very, very careful. Cook your meat and sorry, I don't mean cook. I don't think that cooking your meat is the best thing. If you can grill your fish and your meat to take out most of the time the oils that are that those meat and fish contains, that will be the best. And also, this is a very good season for barbecue. Try to throw your fish and your chicken on the barbecue grill in this way so that all the oils, and also that will prevent the charcoal from getting into the meat that you want to consume. So there are so many things out there. Even though we're thinking of COVID-19 right now, cancer has been the number one leading death in the whole world, different kinds of cancer. So moving on, let us look at the next one, GMOs. A study by the Rowett University found that rats fed GMO food all showed damaged immune system, pre-cancerous cells growth plus similar brain and liver. So guys, thank you guys so much for your time. All these things are based on my research.